What's the biggest budgeting lesson I wish I had learned in life? 10, 10, 10, 70. I'm sure many of you would have never heard about this because even being a head teacher, we never taught this in school. It wasn't part of the curriculum because financial education has never really been a huge part. However, having to learn that simple principle, which is basically to put aside 10% for giving or charity, you have 10% for emergency, and then you have 10% for savings, and the rest 70% is what you use to pay for everything that you need. I sadly actually lost my best friend, my sister. My sister sadly passed on interstate. She had no will in place and there was nothing. So what that meant for us was my husband and I had to dig into our own savings to be able to manage everything, the entire funeral, and pay for that. So just think about it. Had she planned and even used this simple principle, the 10, 10, 10, 70, she would have had something, some money that we would have used. Or even if she had thought about putting a will in place. So again, that is important. And it's one thing I must admit that really gave me the drive and the passion that I have with the work that I do with Genistar, because that is really making me understand and know that I'm going out there to help other families learn about different financial concepts and principles that I was never taught. Thank you.